If you're not an overwhelmed working parent that feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, then this video is not for you. If you've got it all figured out, this is your time to scroll. If you've stayed this long, then this video is for you. I know you're tired. I know you're overwhelmed. I know you have a lot coming at you at one time. Baby, we in the same boat. But take this as a sign to not give up, to keep going and to keep pushing through. Yes, I'm a food content creator, and of course, I love to cook. But baby, let me tell you something. There are nights where I don't feel like cooking nothing, and there are nights that I don't cook nothing. Because after working a full 8-hour workday, doing homework with my daughter, taking her to her gymnastics class or Girl Scout meeting, I am tired. And if you got to throw a frozen pizza in the oven so you can get your kids fed in the bath and in the bed so you can have some time to yourself, that's okay. Even though you see me making this pasta, best believe I have done that myself. As someone who does cook often, I do find that pasta dishes are the fastest to make. So I'll leave the recipe for this Cajun pasta in the description for anyone who may be watching this video wondering what in the world they're going to make for dinner this week. This dish in particular was enough for my family of 3 with leftovers for the next day. And baby, for some weeks, that's a win. I hope this video was helpful, if not for a weeknight dinner idea, but also words of encouragement, letting you know that you are not alone. You got this. Keep pushing through, and I'm proud of you.